Types of executive. This is given on the page 81 of your book. Okay, and we are doing the type of executive. Executive means the person who execute laws, who control the system of a company, who control the system of a government. Okay, and this can be we can classify it into two types. System based on the principle of collective leadership, collective जिसमें कुछ लोग मिल के leadership करते हैं, and system based on individual leadership जिसमें single leadership होती है. On a system based on the principle of collective leadership is parliamentary and semi-presidential system. First of all, parliamentary. The feature of the parliamentary system is head of the government is usually known as the prime minister. It means in the parliamentary system, the head there are two heads. One is head of the state and second is head of the government. Head of the government is has nominal power. Nominal power, नाम के लिए power. But his power actually used by the head of the government means prime minister of the state. Okay. He is the leader of the majority party in the leader. It means the prime minister is the leader of the majority party in the legislature. The party who got the majority in legislature, the leader of that party become the prime minister of that state. He is accountable to the legislature. It means answerable for his functions. He is answerable to the legislature. And the head of the state may be, कौन हो सकता है head of the state? Monarch. It means king or queen. King or queen may be follow the constitution, that is constitutional monarchy. And the president means president parliamentary republic. In a parliamentary system, the head of the state may be monarch. King भी हो सकता है, queen भी हो सकती है, और president भी हो सकता है, like India. Okay, and semi-presidential. In this, in this system has both the power, presidential or parliamentary. Has the president head of the state in the semi-presidential system? The head of the state is president, and head of the government is prime minister, and prime minister and his council of minister is responsible to legislature. And in presidential government, president is the head of the state. Okay, and he is also the head of the government. Means only solely power is the president, and the president is usually directly elected by the people. Like in USA, people elect the president of USA for 4 years, and he is not accountable to legislature, and it means he is not answerable to legislature. He do his functions in a free manner. Okay. On page 80. And what are the different types of executive? Every country may not have the same type of executive. You may have heard about the president of USA. In USA, there is in USA you heard about the president because in USA there is presidential government, and the Queen of England because there is parliamentary government. But the power and function of the president of the USA are very different from the power of the president of India. Because why? What may be the reason for it? It means the president of USA, due to presidential government in USA, is more powerful than the president of India because India adopted parliamentary system of government. Similarly, the power of the Queen of England are different from the power of the King of Bhutan. Okay, both India and France have prime ministers, but their roles are different from each other. Why is this so? Because the Queen of England is not so much powerful like the King of Bhutan, because in Bhutan adopted the presidential government, and in England there is a parliamentary government. Okay, And why is this so? Why is the difference in the power of same position in different country? अलग अलग countries में powers में अलग अलग why these powers vary from country to country? And there is a one reason behind it. It means the government system which they have adopted. To answer this question, we will briefly outline the nature of the executive existing in some of these countries. The USA has a presidential system. In USA, due to presidential system, the president is more powerful. Okay, and executive power are in the hand of the president, and all the power included in the president of the USA. Canada has a parliamentary democracy with a constitutional monarchy where Queen Elizabeth II is the formal chief of the state and the prime minister is the head of the government. Okay, so Canada adopted parliamentary democracy. Your first question, which type of government is in USA? Your second question, which type of government in Canada? And your third question is, in France, both the president and the prime minister are a part of semi-presidential system because both have equal power, and the president appoints the prime minister as well as the minister, but cannot dismiss them as they are responsible to the parliament. Okay, so in France, which type of government? It is your third question of this topic. Now, Japan has a parliamentary system with the emperor as the head of the state. The emperor है वहाँ, and the prime minister as the head of the government. Okay. Now write down your next question. Japan adopted which type of government? Italy has a parliamentary system with the president as the formal head of the state and the prime minister is the head of the government. In India, head of the state is president. Head of the government is prime minister. Okay. Russia has a semi-presidential system where president is the head of the state and prime minister is the head of the government, who is appointed by the president. Okay. Germany has a parliamentary system in which president is ceremonial head of the state and the chancellor is the head of the government. In a presidential system, the president is the head of the state as well as the head of the government. In this system, the office of the president is very powerful, both in theory and practice. Okay, countries with such a system include United States, Brazil, and most nations in Latin America. So, on this page, we have done the presidential, the different country and their government system, which type of government system they have adopted. These countries adopted. Okay, and second one is difference between parliamentary government and presidential government. In presidential government, president is the main and all the power is in the hand of the president. And in parliamentary government, the head of the state is president and the head of the government is prime minister, but the head of the government is appointed by the president of that state. Okay, clear. And third one is the presidential government कहाँ है? United States, Brazil and most nation in Latin America. Okay, in the presidential system, the president is the head of the state. Okay, the head of the government. It means all the power include in the president in presidential system. Okay, and in parliamentary system, this power is divided into prime minister and president. And India also adopted the parliamentary system of government.